Hey everybody, and welcome back to the iPad Help Desk. Today we're going to be breaking down a new notes application called PaperPort Notes. So if you guys come on over, we'll show you how to use it. We wanted to present to you PaperPort because it completely redefines the way that you can take notes in class. So for instance, once you pull up PaperPort, it'll take you to this screen. What you're going to want to do is you want to click New Note Set. After you create that, you can title your notes to whatever you want. I'm going to call mine PaperPort, and I'm going to tell it done. Once you get to PaperPort, it opens up a new application. One of the coolest things about PaperPort is it gives you all different types of paper to take notes on. So for instance, you can have yellow lined paper, a blank page, white lined paper, and even graphing paper. As well as you can import all different types of PDFs from your teacher, whether that's from a Docus folder, from Dropbox, from an image from your camera, anything. So anyways, for the sake of knowing how to use notes, I'm going to go back to page 1, and we're just going to break down the different types of ways that you can take notes on PaperPort. One of the coolest things, and similar to every other notes app, is that you can add text. For adding text, all you have to do is get in and type. The other cool thing about PaperPort, though, is that it also gives you an opportunity to speak your notes. So for instance, if you see down here in the corner, it says tap to speak. I'm going to tap it. Hello. Push it when I'm done recording, and it shows up the note that I just said. As you can see, PaperPort Notes is really cool and really innovative when it comes to taking text notes. The next thing that's really good about it, though, is you can do all different types of things with your text notes. You can put a border around it. You can put a border around it. You can make it a sticky note. Or you can add an image to it. For the sake of this video, we're just going to keep it as text only. The next cool thing about PaperPort Notes is that it gives you the opportunity to annotate on your papers. So for instance, you can write anything you want. You can draw a picture, you can underline, you can circle things. Whatever you have to do, it's just kind of cool that you can do that. You can choose how bold you want your writing. But that's really cool for in-class applications, is that you can annotate on things. But then you also have the ability, to change your color to annotate different points. So for instance, if you're going through a PDF file from your teacher with a notes application, you can break down different parts of a lesson through different colors. The next cool thing about PaperPort is it gives us the opportunity to also highlight. You can choose all different colors of highlighting, as you can see. For this one, I'm going to do purple, and I can highlight anything that's important. I can use all different types of colors, and I can also define how bold my highlight is going to be. And similar to all Notes app, PaperPort also gives us the opportunity to erase as much as we need to erase. So say that we underlined something wrong or circled something wrong. All we have to do is erase that one portion. If we want to erase our whole page, we can do that, and as you see, it gets straight back to the original notes that we originally created. PaperPort gives you a lot of opportunities to take notes in a lot of different ways. You can use graph paper to graph math applications. You can annotate on poetry. You can annotate on PDF files, presentations, PowerPoints, all different sorts of stuff. And it also gives you an opportunity to share those notes really quickly and really easily. We hope that you guys will check out PaperPort Notes. It's on the App Store, and it's a free app. And we just hope that it really will help you just to take notes in class and understand what your teacher's telling you. We'll catch you guys next time.